First, you need to disconnect this battery, positive and negative. Undo the positive and negative on this battery. Take the battery wires off completely. Then you need to come down here, take this battery wire off, this battery wire off. Save the nuts, don't lose them. Take them both off. In order for you to lower the batteries, you have to pull these pins. There you go. You have to pull it back and turn it. Pull this back and turn it. Same with this one. Pull it back and turn it. See how it clicks in? Pull back and turn it. It's the only way it's going to slide. See, it pushes back in. So you have to pull it back and turn both pins on each side in order for it to move up and down. And now in order to lower it, the red goes on the positive side. The black goes on the black side. Turn it, black. Now we lower it. You can see how it works. Lowers it all the way to the ground. And then we're good. Once you plug in the new battery, it should function and everything should work normal.